Dear students, we have left this classwork, and in this classwork exercise we will learn how to divide a number by 10, 1000 or 100. Without getting divided, you can find out your answer. As in the multiplication, we are shifting the decimal towards the right side. Here when we are dividing, we have to shift the decimal towards the left side. So let's start. See here. Here we have to divide this 5 with 10. So we will see that we don't have any decimal here. That means decimal is here after 5. So as I told you, count the number of zeros and shift the decimal towards left. So this decimal will come before 5. That means answer is 0.5. Now here again we can see 389. We have to divide it with 10. So we don't have a decimal here also. That means decimal is here after 389. 9 के बाद है decimal. So 10 के लिए we have to shift the decimal before 9. Answer is 38.9. Here we can see decimal is given, that is before 8. That means we have to shift the decimal towards left. तो ये हो गया 0.08. Now we will divide the number with 100. We don't have decimal here, so we have 2 zeros. So decimal will be shifted towards the left 2 digits. So 0.05. Here is answer is given. 2 zeros are given, so decimal will shift 2 digits back. That means before 8. Here also decimal is given before 8, but we need 2 digits here. So एक जीरो गिवन है, एक जीरो और लग जाएगा, फिर डेसिमल शिफ्ट हो जाएगा 2 digits back. Answer is 0.008. Now here we have to divide with 1000. इसी तरह से यहाँ पे 3 place values 0 की गिवन है, so we have to go back 3 place values. तो यहाँ हमें 3 digits चाहिए डेसिमल के बाद. आंसर आ जाएगा 0.005. ऐसे ही यहाँ आ जाएगा 0.389. डेसिमल के बाद 3 डिजिट्स होनी चाहिए. यहाँ डेसिमल के बाद 1 डिजिट थी और 3 हमें और चाहिए, मीन्स टोटल 4. तो 0.0008. नाउ हियर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Now we have to divide 0.92 with 1000. So we have 3 zeros and after decimal 2 digits. That means total 5 digits we need after decimal. So 1, 2, 3 zeros and 2 digits are already given. So in this way answer is 0.00092. Here before decimal 1 digit is given and only 1 zero is given here. So totally we need 1, 2, 3, 4 digits after decimal. डेसिमल के बाद 4 डिजिट्स आनी चाहिए, तो ये यहाँ शिफ्ट हो गया. आंसर हो जाएगा 0.4532. Now here we have to divide it with 1000. Decimal will shift back 3 place values. So 2 place values already given and 1 zero we will keep. It will become 0.9385. Here we are having 100. So decimal will be shifted 2 digits back. It will become 1.05293. Now this is the question number 3. Here the answers are given to you. We have to find out by which number we are dividing here. So here we can see 24 becomes 0.24. That means decimal is shifting before 2 digits. That means divide by 100. Here we can see decimal is shifted 1 digit back. 7 से पहले चला गया. That means divide by 10. Here we can see decimal is shifted 2 digits back. 9 और एक 0 और लिया है, 2 digits back गया है. That means divide by 100. यहाँ 60 से 0.6 हो गया है. That means decimal is shifting 1 to 2 digits back. That means divide by 100. यहाँ आपको 6.2 से 0.62 हो गया है, मतलब डेसिमल शिफ्ट हो गया 6 से पहले, मतलब 1 डिजिट बैक गया. दैट मीन्स डिवाइड बाय 10. Here we can see decimal is shifted to 1 2, 3. 3 digits back, that means divide by 1000. Here also we can see decimal is shifted 3 digits before. 8, 9 and 0 is also there, that means divide by 1000. And here also decimal is shifting 2 digits back, that means it is divided by 100 here. All this work you have to finish in book only. That's it for today. Thank you.